Hi friends, today I'm going to share an unboxing video of Inalsa Oven MasterChef 10BK 10 liters with temperature selection 800 watt, includes baking pan, SS grill tray, hand glove. It had clean compact design. MasterChef 10BK oven's compact black exterior design looks good in modern or traditional kitchens decor. I have tried cookies and it came very well. We can make grill sandwiches in it. It is a good OTG within budget. I have mentioned Amazon link in description. Its features are fast heating and energy efficient, in 2 to 3 minutes and cooks food faster. Wide temperature range of 100 to 250 degrees Celsius. High efficiency heating elements helps evenly toast, bake, brown and reheat to perfection. 60 minutes stay on timer, see-through glass door, easy clean. Thanks for watching. Please support and subscribe to my channel.